Welcome to Tom Makes Some Weird Sound Effects. Those are the banging sound effects. Now for the classic video game sound effects.